Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to submit an e-claim quickly and easily. After logging in, open the e-claim module from the dashboard. Select Submit General Claim to create a new claim application. Fill in the required information, including the claim type, receipt number, receipt date, amount, reason, and lastly remark. Review the information, then click Submit to send your claim for approval. Your claim has been submitted successfully. Thank you for using Smart Touch e-claim. Once a claim has been submitted, it is routed to the assigned claim approver for review. Click View to verify the supporting documents. Then choose Approve or Reject the claim based on the submitted information. Under Approver List, Manager Table, able to click AC to edit. To amend the receipt date, amount, and cost center of the claim application. Click Update to save. Thanks for watching.